Alright, so we're just done with this Panamera with the full matte PPF. We painted the mirrors and wrapped the handles the gloss black, also with the full ceramic coating. We're just dropping that off for our customer right now. Going to hand this off. Meanwhile, G90 was delivered. We got a couple of G-Wagons that we're working on. We ordered wheels for the M6. They are coming in soon. Stay tuned. Let's get it. This is 2019 Porsche Panamera GTS. Customer dropped it off to have it wrapped in matte PPF. The car went through full decontamination, full prep. We've removed the mirrors just so we have a clean install. We don't have seams on the doors. And also, we've removed caps off the mirrors and we painted them black. Painted looks much better, and for the long term, it's going to stay black and it's going to look nice and shiny. Versus wrapping that intricate mirror, most likely there's going to be issues down the line. And I wrapped the handles. You don't want to paint the handles. Keyless entry, a whole bunch of different things. Too much of a process. If it fails, it will rewrap it for him. Now, car came out absolutely amazing. A customer loved it. We delivered it to him. And we're back to work on other projects. Alright, so we picked up the films, dropped off the Porsche, headed back to the shop. Right now we're gonna pick up some tacos for the whole gang. Let's get it.
Where are we at?
Fuzzies.
Can I do 6 shredded brisket tacos? You want flour or corn?
Doesn't matter.
We'll do flour.
6 brisket?
Yeah, 6 brisket, and then let's do 6 shredded chicken tacos as well. And then we do an order of queso blanco and chips. And then just some sauces on the side. Okay. Yeah, it'll be the go.
We got other projects at the shop, but one of the biggest projects that we are putting always to the side just because customers' cars come first and our cars come last as always. But super excited. We almost done with paint correction on that car. I wanted to wet sand the entire car. I wanted to see a mirror, basically. I didn't want to see any orange peel, so it took us a very, very long time. Now it's probably on week 3, just because we're going on and off with that car. We are very, very close to finish it. In this video, we're going to show you how we're going to wet sand the entire car and show you final product. The car looks absolutely amazing. It looks like a mirror. And that's exactly what I wanted to achieve. That's exactly the idea I had when I bought Indianapolis red M6. And now once we're done with full paint correction, we're going to PPF entire car. And then we're going to ceramic coat it.
Also hollering.
Alright, so after an entire winter, the wet sanding on the M6 is done. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a quick wash to get all this residue off. That way I can see what I'm doing. And we're gonna polish all these sanding marks out and get it to mirror-like, as much mirror-like as we can.
So you're saying you're ready to do it?
I am ready to do it. It only took
Hold on, so how long did it
entire
take?
winter. Almost entire winter, essentially.
Entire winter, yeah.
I got my C7 in the time period back that it took to get this to where it is right now.
Yeah, it's kind
And I've
of...
been waiting on that in 2 years.
Okay, so kind of run through the process, what you did.
So what I did originally, I did 1500 on the deck lid and the hood, because that's where majority of the eyes are going to be. That's as far as I felt comfortable going in terms of the depth for this paint from what I saw previously when I tested the thickness of the paint on each panel. After that, I did 2000s on the rest of the car, went up to 3000, and then I did 5000 in certain areas that I thought would be annoying to chase out with the correction. It's risk versus reward. I risk spending too long in one area and going through the paint versus the reward would be time. I'd rather spend a little bit more time and not risk that. So now that we've done that, we're going to wash and get started into the marathon of paint correction on this entire car. So we just got done washing the M6, getting it ready for correction. Now starts the correction marathon itself, where we take this, make it look like the deck lid. So luckily we are in the final stretches of wet sanding this M6. We did 2000 on all the sides, on all these side top surfaces. We did 1500s on the hood and the deck lid, and then we're bringing it out all the way to 3000. I found out I don't need to do 5000 in this car. It's gonna save me time and effort, but we are just now doing basically the last panel of 3000 on this car. Then we're going to go into polishing. I'm so happy we're at this stage. I've been working on this for so long. I know Alex has been waiting to drive this car. I've been the main issue. We haven't seen this car out driven, getting its miles in, but within a week, they should be on the road, basically as perfect as you can with this paint. So the majority of the paint correction has been done. The hardest part, the rotary cutting. What I'm doing now is the final refinement. I'm basically taking out the rotary marks, those holograms that you'll see in some of the shots. And then from then we'll begin the jeweling process of making it absolutely spotless. It already is looking crazy in these spotlights. We'll show you a couple clips of those, but I'm super excited to see what it looks like in the sun. these are holograms that are caused by the rotary itself.
So what's the next step?
Next step is to get those out through a microfiber pad.
Yeah, like this right there, bro. Like this is when you take your car to like really bad shop and they do a paint correction, and then you like, and they wax it, make it look like a little bit nice for like a certain second. And then you wash your car and it's just immediately like this, bro.
And this is how a lot of cars come out of paint shops too.
Like a lot of times, because they don't care about like those next steps. So the next step, what is it? Like the step 2 and 3, right?
Step 2 and 3, yes, is microfiber to get these out, and then it'll be a foam pad to get out the microfiber swirls.
Yeah. Well, I mean, so far it looks insane. Put it in neutral.
So hallelujah.